G'day guys, today we're looking at parabolas. So we've got the archer again, shooting at his 3 targets. And we've got the parabola, which is the dotted line, which I'm going to change the values of soon. So if we change if we see the equation up here, y equals mx squared plus c. There's one form of the quadratic equation, which codes for parabolas, which creates parabolas. So if we change the m value here, actually, we'll go to the c value first. If we change the c value, we see that just changes the y-intercept once again. See there? So I'm going to leave it at 8 because that's where our archer's arrow is at. So if we change the m value now, we see if I zoom out that it changes the stretch of it. So when it becomes negative, it goes into a sad face. When it's positive values for m, it's a happy face. And we're just changing the stretch of it. Okay, so if we go back to our archer here, we're using one side of the parabola for our archer. This part that goes from the x equals 0 onwards. So if we change our m value, we can hit the middle target when m equals 0. When m equals 0, it essentially cancels out this first term because anything times 0 is going to equal 0. So x squared, doesn't matter what x squared is. If it's times by m equals 0, we're just going to be left with the c value. This is going to disappear. So y is essentially going to equal c. C is 8. Now, if we decrease that, we see that we can hit our bottom target. And this is representative of real life because when you shoot an arrow, gravity is going to act on it and it's going to pull it down towards the ground. So parabolas can actually model projectile motion. And then if we create a positive, which isn't really representative of real life, but we'll try it anyway, we see that we can go up and hit our top target. Now if we zoom out, you can see what's actually happening here. So that's going up to our top target and then down to our bottom target. See that there? You can try this if you want. You can go to Desmos. It's a free application. You can just look up online. The last thing I want to show you is this b value that we can add in. So we can go y equals mx squared plus bx plus c. Now, I haven't got it on right now. I'll put it on. So I've just got a line for this one. I'll zoom out again. I'll change my m value to something a little bit bigger. There we go. So if we change this b value, we're going to see that it just changes the point. Actually, I'll just show you. Just slides the parabola up and down around that y-intercept. So we're just moving the point on the parabola, the intercepts at that y-intercept. So it's just, you can play with it if you want. Have a go. If you got any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Hope you enjoyed.